Hey guys, this is Joyce Meettoo here and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do another review video of Traffic Nemesis, and I'm actually going to show you the results that I've been getting. I believe it's been only 2 days that the product was released, and I'm just going to show you my results that I got 2 days during these 2 days that I'm doing the promotion. And for you guys who don't know me, my name is Joyce Meettoo, and I do videos on how you can make money online. I do reviews of products that I believe is going to change the way you do marketing and make you a lot of money, and as well as do talk about network and affiliate marketing. So if you guys like search topics, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I really want to thank all my subscribers because I reached 101 subscribers, and I've been started doing videos since October in a challenge called Free Traffic Bootcamp Challenge, and it's been really amazing, guys, because I'm giving you guys value. It's like I'm serving you guys, and it's really amazing. Thank you to all my subscribers. So let's get going to the Traffic Nemesis, right? Traffic Nemesis, as you know, as you watched my first review video, has been created by this guy called Manny Hanif, and here is his profile, his Facebook profile. You can have access to him. As you can see, this guy is real, and you can contact him anytime. He's a really nice guy. He has created the Traffic Nemesis, and which he actually poured his knowledge that he has been using to dominate the Facebook group, right? There are many videos that you will find really amazing, like when to use emojis, how to drive traffic to your group, how to revive dead groups, and he goes around setting up of pages, groups, what to talk about. And it's not yet over, guys, because he gives you he shows you how to set up your your profile picture, your profile settings, how to get free traffic from posts, right? What to write, and the seduction secrets. How are you going to talk in Messenger? And all these guys, all these are just $12.95. Guys. When it first launched, it would be this price, like $12.95, but later on it will be increased because the value inside this course is really immense. I actually forgot, he also gives case studies. Case studies are powerful tools that you can learn from, because these are real situation where people are actually using it. And Manny Hanif uses these strategies to make money. And the second guy inside is Wayne Crowe. This guy too is a monster. He's a damn beast. Let me show you actually. He's a founder. He's the founder of it's actually loading. I'll just close this one, right? Minimize this one. Yeah, this is his group, guys. This is his group where he teaches strategies. Free group, you have access. I will leave his access to his group down below in the description box. Make sure to join it, and the value you're going to get over there is really immense. And these guys are actually using what they taught in Traffic Nemesis in real life. And look at these guys. They are doing lives. They are getting engagement like crazy, and they've been doing it really amazingly. And I'll just show you one example how I'm doing it myself. And this is the post. This is the result I've got, right? Let me show you guys. When I first started promoting it, it's taking time to load. Yeah, when I first started promoting it, I made $35 in the first day. I made $35 in the first day, like you can see. I did 3 sales. Actually, it was 2 front sales and 1 upsell, right? It was 1 upsell. Then Then I got another sales. No, it doesn't show here, but let me show you the dashboard of Warrior Plus, right? And here it is, guys. Yeah, and yesterday I did another two sales, two front end sales and one upsell, right? Because I'll just show you my bonus page, because why I'm getting upsell. It's not because of my bonuses, but because this course is crazy. But let me show you first the upsells, right? Let me show you guys the upsells. Upsell number one is $27, right? They are done for you, high quality plug and play social media posts. If you guys are wondering, okay, what I'm going to post in social media following this course, like what to post, Manny Hanif is actually giving you 2,000, more than 2,000 posts that converts, that actually you can use to convert your cold traffic on Facebook into hot leads, right? And the upsell two is actually $97, and it is 30-day email hacks course, right? They will give you the course that you can actually increase your amount of sales, increase your productivity through email marketing. And email marketing, guys, is really an important part of your marketing business. And the upsell number three is the resale right? You get to offer it as bonus, and you pay it as $197. This course becomes to you now because you already bought the resale rights to it. And the upsell number four is $495 a month, right? What you're going to do is get a VIP membership from Traffic Domination. VIP membership is, guys, you're going to actually learn a lot and make a lot of money. That's why this upsell is really high like this. And if you actually want coaching from these guys, this upsell, if you have the ability to buy it, then go for it, guys. You won't regret, because there will be Wayne Crow, Manny Hanif, and many others entrepreneurs over there that's going to help you, right? And my bonuses, if you've watched my past videos, is pretty simple, right? I'll give you a quick demonstration of my bonus, and actually I'm going to leave the bonus page, my bonus page, in the description box, so that you can get access. And if you want to buy the course, just click on my bonus page. I'll just give you a quick demonstration how it looks like. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. And here's my bonus page, right? I go on and give you the review that I did, my first review here. And if you move down, you will see that I invite you to join the Traffic Domination group, right? It's not the VIP group, but it's the free group that you're going to join. You're still going to get massive value in there, right? And the next is my bonuses, right? You will be getting this whole funnel, the opt-in, the review with opt-in. This is the review with opt-in, and this is the review without opt-in, that if you're using email marketing, you can use this review page, because if these people are already in your email list, they're not going to give you their email list, their email addresses again. So it becomes quite annoying. So I removed the opt-in. This is the review without opt-in, and this is the bonus that whenever someone buys, then you can give your bonuses. You have access to all my bonuses, and I give you these bonuses. You can have a look at these bonuses, guys. Then I give 4 special bonuses for the upsell, right? And it's for a limited time. Once I haven't put a timer, because I don't want to limit the time, but I can remove this bonus anytime. As long as I'm still promoting Traffic Nemesis, these bonuses will be available. And these guys, this is how you are going to get 10x, 100x profits inside Traffic Nemesis by using my bonuses. And these are special bonuses. These are actually courses that I'm giving away as bonus, right? I'm giving away these courses as bonus. So go ahead, guys. Go ahead and grab your Traffic Nemesis course, because I actually got a question like, okay, I'm not in the internet marketing niche. Why should I buy Traffic Nemesis? But Traffic Nemesis is not about only internet marketing niche, like make money niche. You can be in different niches like health and fitness, or relationship niche, or even golf niche. What this course teaches you guys is how to dominate Facebook, the platform of Facebook, using what you are promoting. You don't actually need to promote this, but for guys who are newbies, they will get they usually it's difficult for them to get accepted as affiliate of offers. So this course gives you the ability to promote this course and make money out of it. Now you will tell me, okay, why should I buy this course? Why should I buy this course? Like, is it really that amazing? Okay, guys, I'll tell you something. You can go on and become an affiliate of high ticket products or any other affiliate programs. But if you don't have a proper branding of yourself, if you're not able to show people that you give value, how you're going to that you brand yourself and you help people get started, right? You won't be able to make any sales. You can go on and become the affiliate of the top selling products and in the internet, but you're not able to know how to market it. You won't be able to generate even a dime online. And this course gives you all the values that you actually need, that you actually require to dominate platform such as Facebook. So I'm gonna leave this video, guys, and if you got value, do give me a thumbs up, right? And do subscribe to my videos, because I'm going to provide almost daily contents for you guys to make money online. And do hit the notification bell so that you don't miss these coming videos. So it's been great, guys. Again, if you want to check out the course of Traffic Nemesis, my link is down below. Get access to it and get my bonuses. Bye bye. See you.